Hi, I'm Whit with ARTU-USA, and today I'll be demonstrating the PORC Plus drill bit for hard tile. The PORC Plus bits are designed to drill porcelain tile up to a scratch hardness of 8 and are a great alternative to more costly diamond hole saws. Not only will the PORC Plus bit drill the porcelain tile, but it will also drill whatever it's mounted to, saving time and money. The PORC Plus bit should be run at slow speeds, between 400 to 600 RPMs. When drilling multiple holes, it's better to alternate between your pilot bit and PORC Plus bit, rather than drilling all the pilot holes non-stop. Alternating the bits will give them time to cool between each hole. This will improve the life and allow you to drill more holes. For more information on this and other ARTU products, visit our website at www.artu.com.